Well, just in time for Halloween, some Calgarians got a chance to take part in a broom making workshop at Greengate Garden Centre. It was hosted by David Campbell, one of only 8 craft broom makers in Canada. Participants were treated to the old school method of broom crafting: no nails, no screws, no wires, just handcrafted quality. Campbell was inspired to make hand-woven brooms in an effort to keep the craft from dying out. The techniques used date back to the 1700s, and he says it's important to keep the craft alive and pass his knowledge down to future generations.
This craft is over 250 years old, so it's a very, very old craft. I am very much for passing on the knowledge and having more people become informed about the craft and be able to make their own brooms and pass on this knowledge from person to person.
Beautiful. And there will be another broom making workshop at Greengate at the start of November. Organizers recommend you sign up early because spots, they fill up fast.